Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. Hello. Today it's time for my IPSY Glam Bag X unboxing. These are the glam bags that are curated by celebrities with 5 or 6 maybe full-size products. And this month, and I'm super excited about this, it is curated by Miss Alicia Keys. I love reading these because sometimes I don't know who the celebrity is. So it's good to read up, but also it gives you insight into their own skincare. So, and things that are important to them. They ask them really good questions. So I am super excited. She does have her own skincare line now. So I've been really excited about this box once I found out in email that she was going to be the next curator. Also, last month in my IPSY Glam Bag Plus, I received her serum, her full-size serum. So I am super excited. I did start filming this, so some of this stuff is already open. And then the computer had to reboot. So moving on. I'm just going to get this one because it's right here by me. This is the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in Golden Bronze, and it is a shimmer. And this is what it looks like. This is the brown. It's really pretty. Bobbi Brown's shimmer sticks as well as Laura Mercier's are all really pretty. They go on really smooth, and I cannot wait to try this. I feel like I'm going to do makeup tomorrow because I have a family dinner tomorrow night, so I feel like I'm going to do that, but we'll see. We'll see how I feel in the morning. And I'm going to save hers for last because I'm so excited about it because I've already seen all this because, again, this is my second time. Okay, next is Briogeo Farewell to Frizz. It is a sulfate, no sulfate silicones or parabens. It is a Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. It has a great pump, and you will be using this on damp or newly washed hair as a leave-in conditioning, and it helps to cut down the frizz. I'm not going to put it on now because my hair is dry, and not dry, but it's not freshly washed. It's just got some other stuff in it. So, but I can't wait to try this. This is a Black-owned brand that is carried at Sephora. If that is important to you, it is important to me. I am not exclusive to Black-owned brands, but I do like to support them when they have products that are useful to me. Next is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. This is a highlighting serum. So excited to try this. I have wanted to try different things from this brand, and I just never have. But their packaging is adorable, and it seems like every time I want to try something, I put other things in my cart at Sephora, and because this is not a necessity, it gets put back. Because I always stock it up with stuff, and you can't spend $10 at Sephora. It's I don't know, maybe you can, I cannot. But anyway, the packaging is adorable. It's an iridescent pink bottle. It's hard to see with this particular light that I'm working with, but this is so cute. And it's got a little pink top with a serum-y type pump. I like these pumps. I like pumps on things, so it's cleaner, it's cleaner. Next, I said I was going to skip her till last, so we'll go to this, the Patrick Ta. This is the lip mask. I did already open this, I just couldn't remember what it was in that moment. The Patrick Ta Major Glow Softening Lip Mask. So the packaging is cute. This particular packaging is a little hard to read because the words are in rose gold somewhat in this package, but this is really cute. Again, I've already opened this, so it's got my fingerprints on it, and where am I? There I am, 1,000 of me. There we go. No, sorry. Patrick Ta. I know, I have my cup in the background. This is going to be a fingerprint magnet. It already is. It is sealed for safety and cleanliness, but it does not have a spatula, so you have to use your finger. And it does smell like brown sugar. I want to say that's what I smell. But I'm not 100%. But that's what it smells like to me. And I'm getting it all over the place. Now I'm smudging up his little rose gold thing. It's so pretty though. Okay, let's go ahead and clean that off. Oh, and I just touched it with my lip. I have on the Bite Beauty lip mask for when I sleep in this now to keep my lips soft. And this is just getting worse. Oh my gosh, let me just put this away. Let's not look at this. We'll clean this again later. I need to look at the ingredients though, because I really feel like I smell brown sugar. And that might be one of the things. Next, I have this Skin Party with squalane, shea butter, and sweet almond oil. Go-To is the brand, I believe. And this is bodies. This is for bodies, all the bodies. It will deeply hydrate and restore even very dry skin, seal in moisture, and maintain the skin's barrier and keep skin soft, smooth, and happy. So this is a moisturizer. This is just like a giant tube of lotion, which I'm excited about. This is 6.8 ounces, and it is also sealed for safety, and also so it doesn't leak. I'm not going to open this because I just got some lotions from Bath and Body Works, which of course are not on this level, but they're already open. So I'm just going to use those and save this until I actually do need it. But I'm excited to try this. Give your body the replenishment and fun it deserves. This is great. Oh, sorry, babe. Next in the box is this from Benefit. This is their Real Magnet mascara in Supercharged Black. Sorry, everything is already open, but again, not my first time. Sometimes I feel like these pictures exaggerate, but sometimes they're pretty accurate. You can see she does have long lashes here in this picture, but they're just accentuated here, and they are lengthened a little bit. They play on the magnet, so there's a magnet on the top. I like the packaging. I have used their mascara before, but now that I use Latisse, I think that it just amplifies all the mascara. Every mascara I use, it just makes it. And if I can't get a good mascara look with the lashes I have with Latisse, it's not a good mascara. It's not. So I can't wait to try this. I do have a mascara already open from Bite Beauty, but I will be trying this next because I have so many Bite Beauties from their sale. They are still offering 50% off on their website, by the way. But the wand looks really cool, so I really am looking forward to trying that. Flexible, lightweight, builds easy. Super! Everything I want. Is that it? Just hers left? Okay, I did the glow. Okay. Save the best for last. This is Keys Soul Care, and this is her, let me tell you what it is. This is Your Layered, Complex, and Divine. So pretty. Okay, sorry. I think her favorite color must be purple. I'm not sure, but this is gorgeous. This is a B Luminous Exfoliator. So what you do, let me read the directions. I'm still good on time. Begin with wet hands and face. Apply a small amount to the palm of your hand and add water to create a creamy foam. Gently massage onto the skin in circular motions, avoiding the eye area. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week. This is a powder exfoliator that you mix with water and it creates a foam. I love this, and it is, I believe it said 2.29 ounces, so this is TSA friendly. Thank you very much. Glass bottle, sealed for safety. Now, this seal is a reseal. So you pull up on the tab here, and it opens up like this. You have this, and then this is a powder. I don't know if you can see that, but it is a powder. I don't want to make a mess, but see. It is a powder, and you pour it out, and then you pour it out as much as you need. and then you exfoliate your face. So I cannot wait to use this. I'm so excited about this. The fact that it's travel friendly and will be going in my carry-on. Thank you very much, Alicia. Love it. Okay, that's my box. And I do not remember if I said it in the first video or this video, but the Glam Bag X is a little extra per time that you get it. And it's not every month. It's like every 2 or 3 months or once a quarter or something like that. But it's awesome. You get very good products. You get 5 full-size products. So the value of this box is like 2 or 3 times what you actually pay. I think that you only pay, I want to say like $50 or $30. I don't remember. I just know I pay it and it comes to me and I'm super excited. But I'm going to read all about Miss Alicia Keys and how she takes care of her beautiful, gorgeous skin. She started that no makeup thing a long time ago, took care of her skin, and she's always taking care of it. Every now and then I think she wears makeup, but not very often. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I have gone to not wearing makeup very much at work. So for me to do makeup now is like a treat for me, but I'm getting out of practice, so I probably need to do it more. Anyway, that is it. My Glam Bag X. The X means it is curated by a celebrity. They have the Glam Bag, which is 5 samples. The Glam Bag Plus, which is 5 full-size products. And then the Glam Bag X, which doesn't come every month. It's like every 2 or 3 months or something. They tell you ahead of time. But anyway, if you're not a member of the IPSY Glam Club, you should try it. It's not, something you have to do forever, but you can try it, see if you like it. I have yet to receive any duplicate products. I love it. And you can customize your boxes toward what you like to receive the most. They ask you how much do you like receiving nail polish? How much do you like receiving exfoliants? You tell them a little, rarely, often, rarely, sometimes often. And so they curate your boxes according to that. They ask you your skin tone, your skin type, I think your age as well. So all of that factors into how your boxes are distributed to you. And again, I have not received any duplicate items, and I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Now, be on the lookout. I did subscribe to 2 new boxes through Amazon, so be on the lookout for those to come soon. I'm not sure when, probably next month. And I may have a guest on my channel for one of those unboxings because well, I'm not going to tell you. Anyway, thank you for watching. You guys have a fantastic day. Welcome back to school for all the kids who are in school. Welcome, congratulations to all the parents whose kids are back in school. My son's out of school, so. But I am super excited about this box. I cannot wait to try this. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me go. Let me go to bed. Y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.